What is the easiest way to clean a swimming pool? Well, you've come to YouTube looking for answers, and you know what? We've got one for you here, and the answer is a robotic pool cleaner. This is relatively new. This isn't something that your parents and grandparents likely had, and it divorces the filtration system from the vacuum system entirely. It used to be that all forms of vacuuming the swimming pool ultimately went through the pool pump, went through the pool filter. So if you wanted to vacuum, you had to usually go over and turn the pump off and change some valves, and you had to hook up a suction hose and do all this stuff. It was a little bit different of a process, and it involved operating some equipment that not everybody is totally comfortable operating. Like a pool pump isn't really a scary thing, but it could be a dangerous thing if you're doing things wrong and don't know what you're doing. And so you might be intimidated from interacting with it. But that was always just a part of vacuuming a pool, but no longer, because now you can use a robotic pool vacuum. It is a standalone system. That's kind of the defining thing of a robotic pool vacuum, is it stands alone from your filtration system. It's not connected to the pump. It's not connected to the filter. It has its own little filtration system, and it has its own little drive wheels and propulsion system, and it navigates around your pool, cleans up all the debris, and it does a pretty darn good job of getting all of it. And that's kind of what it comes down to. Like a good robotic pool cleaner would be much better at getting 100%, scrubbing and surface area of all the interior surface of your swimming pool, where, a less expensive or a less adequate model might do somewhat of a, less comprehensive job of getting to all the nooks and crannies, and maybe only gets 80% of your pool clean, and there's a couple of spots you have to manually brush once a week. In terms of pool care, a robotic pool vacuum it's one of the single best things that's come to the industry in a long time. It's super easy to use. They are a little bit expensive, but that's also come down in recent years. Like I normally don't buy whatever model they came out with this year. Whatever was the most popular model they had last year, find those ones. Pick up one of those things on sale. Every manufacturer makes multiple lines of these things, so there's a ton of different options for you on the market for robotic pool cleaners. You came to YouTube, you were looking for advice, you kind of knew something about robotic pool cleaners, you maybe feel like you got your money's worth with this YouTube video, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to try to help you out with that. I'm going to get you your money's worth. In the world of swimming pool equipment manufacturers, there are really only three top dogs, truly, for pretty much everything you're talking about, from pumps to filters to heaters, whatever. There's always really only three brands, and they dominate the market share. That's your Jandies, that's your Haywards, that's your Pentaires. You've probably heard these names, right? And all of them make robotic pool vacuums, and they're all good. Go check them out. But you want a hint here, and I'll give you this. Somehow, some way, an independent manufacturer has broken into the top tier here for robotic pool vacuums. And if you were to go out there and ask, 1,000 swimming pool professionals who makes the best robotic pool vacuums, you are going to hear, maybe would it be the majority? Would the majority of pool technicians agree with me and say that Maytronics makes some of the best robotic pool vacuums out there? I think so. I think they would agree with that, because this independent manufacturer has established themselves amongst the big dogs in the world of robotic pool vacuums. It's pretty unique. It's not really something that you see often, and they must be doing something right to get themselves mentioned in tune with the big guys. And it's worth mentioning, I have no affiliation with these people whatsoever. I've never met them. I've never talked to them. I'm not being paid or compensated in any way, shape, or form. I just want you to know that they're out there, because you might not have heard of them before. Maytronics. Go check them out and let me know what you think. If you found this information helpful, please be sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And you can check out my website, swimmingpoolsteve.com.